Let me ask what the new tax reform bill is all about, because we have been hearing, different story when it comes to the tax reform. What is it all about?
Thank you very much for that question. The new tax reform is all about total overhauling of the tax system in Nigeria, especially as regards to tax laws and tax administration.
All right.
Normally for tax system, we used to have, it's hinged on three things: tax policies, tax laws, and tax administration.
All right.
But this present tax reform is about the tax laws and the tax administration.
Okay.
The federal government inaugurated a presidential committee on fiscal reforms and tax policies, and they came up with 4 laws repealing those old extant laws that we used to have, just to make it to be efficient for the system.
Okay.
So they came up with 4 laws. The first one is Nigerian Tax Act, which deals with the tax laws. Then the second one is Nigerian Tax Administration Act,
All right.
which is also deal with the tax administration. Then we also have Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Act for the whole FRS. And we also have Joint Revenue Board Establishment Act.
Okay, so those are the 4 acts that have been put in place.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
But the new tax reform is all about simplifying tax laws. We used to have cumbersome, obsolete laws before now. So to make it more efficient, they reviewed the old tax law, repealed them, and then come up with fresh law, packaged in just an act instead of different acts that used to be before.
All right.
So it's to simplify tax laws, to make it more efficient.
Okay.
Then the next thing that the new tax reform is making us to know and what us to do is to also to eliminate those problems of multiple and overlapping taxes before now. There used to be multiple and overlapping taxes in the whole tax laws. So they now try to eliminate it so that it will be more efficient for the system. Then they also make sure that this new tax reform will also address making the tax administration in Nigeria to be fairer and more transparent.
All right.
They also look at it and they feel, the next thing to do is to also look at the compliance. So they want to also, this new tax reform is also going to improve the compliance that will make everybody to contribute their own quota and then make sure they also contribute their fair share of what they're supposed to do. Everybody's supposed to, pay their tax because it's a civic duty for every Nigerian, whether companies or individuals.
All right.
So this is also to address some things, to boost our economy. Because if the tax laws are well reformed and is sufficient, it will boost our economy.
Okay.
Another thing that it will do is that there will be increase in revenue generation. And
the
also,
more the tax,
the more the
revenue.
The more the revenue.
Yes.
And it also improve the business environment because this law is for the individuals and for the companies. They want the companies to thrive very well. And even individuals, they want prosperity. This news is about prosperity of the people.
All right.
Before now, we used to tax, our tax used to be regressive. Though we say it is progressive, but it was turning to progressive taxation. But now they want it to be, they focus on progressive, the real progressive taxation. That is, the more you earn, the more you pay.